we are talking about multi-million peso projects, resorts, job, infrastructures. This place could be the next Tagaytay, you know.
And the forest, kakailanganing tanggalin yon?
Miss Montoya, it's just land. It will compensate the locals. Plant new trees, progress is price.
That price is lives. Once you clear that hillside, you'll trigger erosion. One storm and it's gone.
Kaya naman natin i-control yan. We'll reinforce the slope, divert the water, you know, and put up barriers.
I'm sorry, Mr. Joaquin, but we cannot control nature. Sa tingin mo lang na makokontrol mo. Lahat ng ito ay konektado. Isang mali mo lang, and the rest follows.
Relax. I'm in this business for a long time. I know how to keep things standing.
That's exactly how it happens.
It's just Dominoes, Miss Montoya.
No, it's everything we're standing on. You know, Mr. Joaquin, if we keep treating the ground like it's irreplaceable, one day there'll be nothing left to stand on. We can still choose differently before that domino falls. I need to go, Mr. Joaquin. I hope you'll change your mind.
Sir, may report po mula sa site. Nagkaroon daw po ng landslide sa gilid ng lupain nyo. Ang bilis po gumuguho ng lupa papunta sa access road. Hindi ko po alam if may na-aksidente. Ano pong gagawin natin, sir? Papasok ba namin yung mga tao?
What? Landslide? Malat ba? May naapektuhan bang mga bahay? Pull everyone out. Stop everything. Cancel the construction. Lahat.
So, tuloy-tuloy na po bang shutdown, sir? Papaprease ko na po yung mga permits. Ipa-alert ko rin po ba yung LGU?
Yes. Freeze everything. Sabihin mo. This project ends today.